Hey there, and welcome back to Healthy Seniors Everyday. I'm Dr.
Nora Hayes, and today we're going to explore something that might sound almost too simple to believe, but the truth is the science behind it is incredibly strong, and the results I've seen in both
Clinical settings and real world use are nothing short of remarkable. We're talking about specific natural oils, the kind you can apply directly to your skin, that can dramatically enhance erectile function, even if you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond. And before you scroll away thinking this sounds like some kind of internet myth, stay with me, because what I'm going to explain today is backed by research, supported by physiology, and proven through the experiences of thousands of men who have chosen a natural, science-based path toward restoring performance and confidence. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this channel is dedicated to helping mature men reclaim their vitality safely, naturally, and intelligently. What I'm sharing here isn't common knowledge. Most doctors simply don't discuss it. They'll prescribe medication after medication for erectile dysfunction without ever explaining how you can support your body's own systems without side effects, without dependency, and without embarrassment. Now, I completely understand the skepticism. You might be thinking, how on earth can a few drops of oil on my skin help me achieve stronger, longer lasting erections? It sounds too easy, but that's where modern physiology gives us a fascinating answer. When applied correctly, certain oils have the power to penetrate through the skin barrier, reach your bloodstream, and directly improve the mechanisms that control blood flow, nerve function, and hormonal balance. This process is called transdermal absorption, and it's the same science behind nicotine patches, pain relief creams, and hormone replacement therapy gels. The skin is not just a passive surface, it's an active gateway. When we use the right natural oils in the right way, we can enhance nitric oxide production, improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and stimulate the nerves that control arousal and erection. Quality, and the best part, you're not swallowing anything. You're not relying on digestion, which can degrade or block certain nutrients. You're working directly with your body's surface, the largest organ you have, to deliver targeted, powerful results. So, let's begin with the first natural oil, one that surprises most men the moment they hear about it: progesterone cream derived from wild yam. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Wait, isn't progesterone a female hormone? Technically, yes. It's often associated with women, but here's the truth. Men produce progesterone too, and it's absolutely critical for maintaining male hormonal balance. It acts as a precursor to testosterone, meaning your body can convert it into the very hormone that drives your energy, libido, and performance. As men age, testosterone levels gradually decline while estrogen levels often increase, particularly because of environmental estrogen, like chemicals and body fat conversion through an enzyme called aromatase. This shift in the testosterone to estrogen ratio contributes significantly to erectile dysfunction, fatigue, and loss of confidence. Topical natural progesterone cream can help restore balance. When applied to thin skin, the progesterone is absorbed through the capillaries and gently rebalances your hormonal environment, supporting testosterone synthesis and calming excessive estrogenic activity. The research is compelling. Many men who have used topical progesterone cream report noticeable improvements in energy, libido, mood stability, and erectile firmness within just a few weeks. The key, however, is quality. You must use natural progesterone derived from wild yam, not synthetic progestins used in some pharmaceutical formulations. Those synthetic versions don't behave the same way in the male body and can even cause unwanted side effects. Here's how to use it correctly. Apply 3 to 5 drops to areas of thin skin, such as the inner arms, inner thighs, behind the knees, or lower abdomen. These areas have rich blood supply and excellent absorption potential. Rotate where you apply it every few days to prevent receptor saturation, and use it once or twice daily. Most men begin noticing the first subtle improvements, such as more consistent morning erections or better stamina, within 2 to 4 weeks. Now let's move to something that works on a completely different mechanism, L-Arginine oil or cream. L-Arginine is an amino acid your body naturally uses to produce nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing and dilating blood vessels. Without enough nitric oxide, blood flow to the penis is restricted, and erections become weak or short-lived. Pharmaceutical drugs like Viagra work by preserving nitric oxide once it's already made, but L-Arginine actually helps your body create it naturally. When applied topically to the genital area, L-Arginine is absorbed locally, boosting nitric oxide levels right where you need them most, improving blood vessel dilation, oxygen delivery, and responsiveness. Multiple studies have shown that topical arginine formulations can significantly enhance erectile function, especially when combined with other circulation supporting compounds like peppermint or ginseng. You can purchase pre-formulated arginine creams designed for men or make your own blend. To do this, mix 5 grams of L-Arginine powder with 100 grams of a natural carrier, such as organic coconut oil or aloe vera gel. Apply a small amount, just a few drops, to the shaft of the penis about 30 to 60 minutes before intimacy. Massage it gently into the skin until absorbed. Many men experience improved firmness and responsiveness within that time frame. For long-term benefits, daily application works even better. Think of it as training your circulation. Each use improves vascular health, elasticity, and responsiveness over time. Next, let's talk about an essential oil that's as powerful as it is refreshing, peppermint oil. Peppermint contains menthol, a compound known for its ability to dilate blood vessels and enhance blood flow when applied to the skin. That's why it feels cool to the touch. It's literally drawing more circulation to the surface. But peppermint oil also stimulates nerve endings, enhancing sensitivity in areas that may have lost responsiveness with age, diabetes, or poor circulation. However, peppermint oil must be diluted carefully. Essential oils are extremely concentrated and should never be applied directly to sensitive areas. Mix 3 drops of peppermint oil with 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil such as coconut, almond, jojoba, or grapeseed oil. After showering, when your pores are open and absorption is strongest, massage the diluted blend into the shaft and base of the penis for a few minutes. You'll feel a cool tingling sensation that indicates increased blood flow. Over time, consistent daily use not only enhances responsiveness before intimacy, but also improves the overall vascular tone and nerve sensitivity of the region. The goal isn't just a temporary effect, it's to rehabilitate and recondition the tissue that makes erections possible. The next oil I want to introduce is one that deserves far more recognition: rosemary oil. Rosemary isn't just for cooking. It's a botanical powerhouse for circulation, mental clarity, and hormonal balance. Its compounds support nitric oxide production and improve vascular flexibility, which allows your blood vessels to expand easily when needed. It's also a natural adaptogen, helping your body regulate stress hormones like cortisol. This matters deeply because chronic stress is one of the most destructive forces against erectile health. High cortisol suppresses testosterone and constricts blood flow. By reducing stress, rosemary indirectly enhances your body's ability to perform naturally and confidently. In addition, the aroma of rosemary has been shown to improve focus, motivation, and even libido. Many men report that using it regularly leaves them feeling both mentally sharper and more physically energized. To use rosemary oil, dilute 3 drops in a teaspoon of carrier oil and apply it to your lower abdomen, inner thighs, or temples. This dual approach supports both the mind and body components of sexual function. Use it once or twice a day, depending on your schedule. Now, let's turn to another circulation hero, ginger oil. Ginger is known worldwide as a warming, stimulating plant that enhances both blood flow and hormonal health. When applied topically, it increases surface warmth and vasodilation, which draws more blood into the area, perfect for erectile health. But ginger's power doesn't stop there. It's been shown in research to improve testosterone levels, reduce inflammation, and support insulin sensitivity, all of which are essential for a man's sexual vitality. Ginger oil should be diluted. Start with 2 drops per tablespoon of carrier oil and apply it to the base and shaft of the penis, massaging gently for several minutes. The sensation should feel pleasantly warm, not burning. If it ever feels too strong, reduce the concentration next time. Now, let's talk about one of my personal favorites, sandalwood oil. This oil has been revered for centuries as both an aphrodisiac and a calming agent. And modern science is now confirming what traditional healers always knew. Sandalwood doesn't just smell pleasant. It interacts with the limbic system, the emotional and sexual center of the brain, helping reduce anxiety and increase sensual awareness at the same time. When you inhale its aroma or apply it topically, sandalwood triggers alpha brain waves, which are associated with relaxation and emotional openness, 2 states that are absolutely vital for natural arousal. This is one reason why so many men find sandalwood to be the perfect blend of calm and desire. It helps lower performance anxiety while deepening emotional connection, which is exactly what mature intimacy thrives on. To use it properly, mix 3 drops of sandalwood essential oil with 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. Apply it to the lower abdomen, inner thighs, or genital area about 30 to 60 minutes before intimacy. Or use it daily as part of your ritual. The scent itself can help set the tone, soothing your mind and priming your body for deeper connection and responsiveness. Now, let's move to cinnamon oil, another powerhouse for circulation and metabolic health. Cinnamon increases nitric oxide availability and enhances insulin sensitivity, which is crucial because insulin resistance is one of the leading underlying causes of erectile dysfunction in older men. When your body struggles to process sugar efficiently, it damages your blood vessels, including those that feed the penis. Cinnamon helps reverse that process naturally. It also improves cholesterol balance and reduces inflammation, both of which are essential for maintaining strong, elastic blood vessels. Topically, cinnamon creates a warm, stimulating sensation that many men find incredibly energizing before intimacy. The aroma alone can boost alertness and libido. Because cinnamon oil is very strong, you must dilute it carefully. Start with 2 drops per tablespoon of carrier oil. Apply it gently to the shaft and base of the penis, avoiding the most sensitive areas until you've tested your tolerance. The warmth should feel pleasant, not hot or burning. If it's too intense, wash it off and dilute it further next time. Now, let's take everything we've learned and bring it together. I call this next formulation the Erectile Enhancement Blend. It's a simple but powerful combination of oils that work synergistically to support every part of male sexual health: blood flow, nitric oxide, hormone balance, and nerve sensitivity. Here's how to make it. Take 2 tablespoons of carrier oil. Organic coconut or sweet almond oil work best. Add 3 drops of peppermint oil, 2 drops of ginger oil, 2 drops of rosemary oil, 1 drop of cinnamon oil, and 2 drops of sandalwood oil. Mix these thoroughly in a small dark glass bottle and shake before each use. Apply 5 to 10 drops daily to the genital area, massaging gently for several minutes. This combination blend improves circulation, enhances sensation, balances mood, and restores energy in a single daily ritual. For many men, it becomes an almost meditative practice, a few minutes of daily self-care that reconnects them with their own vitality. Now, let's talk about another underrated oil, ylang ylang oil. You may have seen this name in perfumes or massage oils, but its benefits for male sexual health are surprisingly profound. Ylang Ylang has both relaxing and stimulating properties, a rare dual effect that helps reduce anxiety while increasing arousal. It's what researchers call a biphasic response, first calming the nervous system, then awakening the body's natural desire response. Studies suggest Ylang may also slightly boost testosterone and improve overall mood by supporting serotonin and dopamine balance in the brain. It's also known to lower blood pressure gently, improving circulation. To use it, mix 3 drops of ylang essential oil with 1 teaspoon of carrier oil. Then apply it to the lower abdomen, inner thighs, or genital area. Many men enjoy applying it about an hour before intimacy because its scent creates an atmosphere of closeness and emotional warmth. It can also be used daily for ongoing benefits. Now, one of the most fascinating oils on this list, black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa. This isn't an essential oil. It's a pressed seed oil you can use directly, and it's been called the seed of blessing in traditional medicine for good reason. Black seed oil is rich in thymoquinone, a compound with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It improves cardiovascular health, supports testosterone production, and helps maintain optimal blood vessel function, all critical for erectile strength. Studies have shown that men who consume or apply black seed oil experience measurable improvements in testosterone, sperm quality, and overall reproductive health. Unlike essential oils, you can apply black seed oil directly without dilution. Massage it gently into the penis and surrounding area once or twice daily. Many men like to blend it with a few drops of peppermint or rosemary oil for added circulation support and a mild stimulating effect. Now, let's cover clove oil, which deserves special caution because it's incredibly potent. Clove oil contains eugenol, a compound that increases circulation and sensitivity, but can also irritate skin if used improperly. When diluted correctly, however, it can add an intense, warming, and slightly numbing sensation that heightens pleasure and awareness. Start conservatively, 1 drop of clove oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. Always test it on a small area first, like your inner forearm, before applying it anywhere sensitive. If your skin tolerates it well, apply a small amount to the less delicate parts of the genital area. The key is gentleness and awareness. If it ever burns or stings, wash it off immediately. Next, let's discuss application technique, because how you apply these oils is as important as what you apply. You're not just spreading oil on the surface of your skin. You're engaging in a therapeutic massage that stimulates blood flow, oxygenation, and lymphatic drainage. Think of it as physical training for your vascular system. After applying your chosen oil, use gentle milking motions from the base of the penis toward the head, moving slowly and rhythmically. Don't grip tightly. The goal is stimulation, not strain. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. The combination of massage and active ingredients helps retrain blood vessels to open efficiently and supports the reawakening of nerve sensitivity that may have dulled with age. You can do this after a shower or bath when the skin is warm and your pores are open for maximum absorption. Many men make this part of their evening routine a moment of self-care that promotes relaxation, hormone balance, and circulation all at once. Now, before you start, there are a few important safety guidelines. Always dilute essential oils properly. More is not better. These are highly concentrated natural extracts, and too much can cause irritation. If you're unsure, err on the side of using less and increasing gradually over time. Always patch test first. Apply a small amount of your blend to your inner forearm and wait 24 hours. If there's no redness, itching, or irritation, you're good to go. Be cautious with oils if you use latex condoms, as oils can weaken latex. If you plan intimacy soon after applying, use non-latex condoms or ensure the oils have been fully absorbed hours in advance. And remember, natural doesn't mean instant.
These treatments work by healing, restoring, and rebuilding the systems that control arousal and erection. For most men, the first noticeable changes appear within 1 to 2 weeks. Things like stronger morning erections, improved sensitivity, or easier arousal. More significant improvements in performance, firmness, and stamina usually occur over 4 to 8 weeks of consistent use. The key is consistency, not intensity. Apply daily, follow the massage technique, and give your body time to respond. But there's more. These oils become exponentially more effective when paired with a few foundational lifestyle habits. Make sure you're eating a healthy, anti-inflammatory diet rich in vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Exercise regularly, focusing on both cardiovascular movement and resistance training. Sleep deeply 7 to 9 hours nightly, and manage stress through breathwork, meditation, or mindful walks. Because here's the truth, your erectile function is your circulatory health on display. When blood flow improves, your energy, mood, and confidence follow. Now, let me share a weekly protocol that balances these oils for maximum impact. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, use the Erectile Enhancement Blend. On Tuesday and Thursday, apply L-Arginine oil or cream. On Saturday, use Progesterone Cream for hormone balance. And on Sunday, give your skin a break with a plain nourishing carrier oil like coconut or jojoba. This rotation allows your skin to rest while ensuring that your body benefits from multiple pathways: hormone regulation, circulation, nerve health, and recovery. Keep a simple journal to track your progress, energy levels, confidence, morning erections, and overall satisfaction. After 2 or 3 months, most men can look back and clearly see just how far they've come. If you're currently taking ED medications, don't stop suddenly. These natural methods can complement your current regimen, and over time, as your natural function improves, your doctor may help you reduce your dosage safely. Now, for your starting action plan, begin with either the Erectile Enhancement Blend or L-Arginine oil. These are the most versatile and effective starting points for most men. Get high-quality essential oils, always labeled pure and therapeutic grade, preferably organic. Cheap oils often contain fillers or synthetic fragrances that won't deliver results. Start tonight. Mix your chosen oil blend, test it on your forearm, and if it's safe, begin your daily routine. Be patient. Give it at least 8 consistent weeks before judging the results. The changes you're supporting are real, measurable, and sustainable because they're built on your body's natural healing mechanisms, not artificial stimulation. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, and I want to leave you with this. Erectile health is not just about performance. It's about circulation, confidence, and connection. To your body, your partner, and your vitality. Take care of yourself. Be consistent, and remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting for you to rediscover.